This video quickly walks you through on how to share the files you have on your Dropbox account with someone else. Alright, so the first step is to launch a web browser. Once your browser opens, visit dropbox.com and log in with your credentials. You can see the web link here, dropbox.com. Okay, once it opens, you're likely to find yourself on an interface that looks like this. But if you find yourself on somewhere else, please click on All Files. Alright, this will give you access to all the files you have in your account. So let's start the file sharing. Let's say I want to share this file with someone. So once you take your cursor to the file, you see this checkbox here. Click on it. Now, on clicking on that, that means this is the file I want to share with someone. So click on this copy link option. If you click it the first time and it doesn't respond, give it a few seconds and click again. Okay, so once it responds, you will see yourself on this page. You can copy the link and share directly, but I don't know the settings of your own Dropbox account. So click on this manage, right? On clicking on that, you will see that who has access to view anyone, meaning that anyone you share this link with will have access to the link. So if you click here, you will see only people invited, which I don't want to use in this case. So if you want only people invited to your Dropbox to have access to it, please select this option. Then I'll click there. Then set expiration. If you want to set expiration so that once that time reaches and the person does not access, it will expire. Then this one allows you to require password. So you check this box if you want to add password to it, and then generate the password, send it along with the file. All right. So once the person gets the link, he will insert the password when he wants to open it. All right. So let's click on cancel, and then we close this and start the copy link again. So we have set everything right now. So the next step is to click on this copy link. So once the link is copied, you can open a new tab, then visit the account, the email account, and then send to the person. So here I'm using Gmail. So I will click on compose. Okay, in the to section, add the email address. But before then, let's just paste the link here. I'll click here, right click, and select paste. That's beautiful. So click inside this recipient section and add the email address of the person you're sending it to. So look at the email address I'm sending to. So give it a subject. Let's say use the file. All right. Once you finish typing your subject, click on send. You will get the link from his end and then work with the file. All right. Then let's talk of another way you can share this, and that is through WhatsApp. Maybe the person is on WhatsApp. You can open your WhatsApp desktop application and share with the person. My WhatsApp is open. I have clicked on the contact I want to send it to. I'll click inside this chat area, Ctrl V to paste the link. Then I'll click on send to send it to him. So he's going to get the link as well from his end and use it as well. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Thank you and see you some other time.